Hey, it's me, Zayful Beeblebrox, the British Tech Guru. Something arrived in the post. Let me see what that is. Let's see what we can do. Let's open this thing. Oh well. Good Lord. Right. Ooh, looky, looky, looky. And for those of you that doubted, you can get tools for those mini lathes, for those Chinese mini lathes. And there is a pack of lathe tools. It was a stupid amount of money, but I have 5 lathe tools. And I got the lathe on, I believe, Amazon. Or was it Walmart? No, it was Amazon. Or was it Walmart? And I asked the fellow who was selling it, because it was Walmart, it was their marketplace thing. I think it was Amazon. And I said, well, do you have any of the lathe tools? And he said, yes, certainly. And gave me a link. So I went to Amazon and I bought them. They were a ridiculous sum. They were something like $20 total, but I now have extra lathe tools. Can't beat it. Oops. And there we are. There's all the details. I don't recommend ordering from China at the moment, but when needs must, it was available. Like it still is, just a bit more expensive than it should be.